Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change Windows 10 password using command prompt. Type CMD in search bar, right-click CMD, click Run as administrator. Type net, space, user. Displays all user details in Windows 10, including administrator user account. I want to change the administrator account password. Type net, space, user, space, administrator, space, star. Press enter key. Type new password for administrator account. Retype the same password again. Password is changed successfully. You can change any user account password using this method. Type net, space, user, space, administrator. Displays all account details about administrator. Displays password, last set time and date. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.